So good for you. Python's an excellent choice. And then our friend Savage Scientists say, I would say that for data science, you may want to pay attention to data structures. Um, Maybe. It kind of depends on what you mean by data structures. If you talk to somebody with a computer science degree and you start talking about data structure, you're going to get a whole different answer, and it's going to put you to sleep. Most of the computer science folks out there kind of have a different view on data structures and even on algorithms, right? So it kind of depends on what you mean by data structures. Um, if you mean data structures around how you create objects around them and how you work with those objects, yeah, that's helpful. Pandas and data frames solves a lot of that. But I would think about it just more in object-oriented programming. Like, how do you create data objects there, right? How do you manipulate dictionaries? How do you manipulate lists and tuples and iterable objects, right? Or mutable objects, right? Immutable objects. So that's kind of where I would focus more on the data side. But focusing on purely on data structures is probably a little bit too theoretical for what most people in data science do. So something to think about. But thanks for the comment there, Savage Scientist. All right, going back to my Instagram.